Welcome back to Healthforyou. Ever feel off, but can't explain why? For many men, that uneasy feeling could be a sign of hormonal imbalance. Hormones control everything from energy and mood to weight and sleep. When they're out of sync, your body sends warning signs. Today we'll cover 11 key signs your hormones might be out of whack, and practical steps to restore balance. First up, gynecomastia, or male breast enlargement. This isn't just chest fat, it's actual glandular growth, often due to a testosterone-estrogen imbalance. It can happen at any age, triggered by medications, health issues, or lifestyle factors. If you notice this change, don't ignore it. Get your hormones tested. Guesswork won't help. Reduce exposure to xenoestrogens in plastics and personal care products. Eat more cruciferous veggies like broccoli to help your body process excess estrogen. Take action early to support your hormonal health and confidence. Erectile dysfunction isn't just about aging, it's often a red flag for low testosterone or other hormonal imbalances. High prolactin or thyroid issues can also play a role, and chronic stress raises cortisol, which suppresses testosterone. Before reaching for medication, focus on stress management, quality sleep, and healthy lifestyle habits. Meditation and deep breathing and regular exercise can lower cortisol and boost testosterone. Addressing the root cause can often reverse ED and improve overall health. Don't ignore this sign your hormones may be calling for help. Take steps now for better performance and well-being. Struggling to concentrate or feeling mentally foggy? Chronic stress and cortisol imbalances can disrupt your brain's clarity. Adrenal fatigue throws off your body's stress response, leaving you unfocused and exhausted. Support your adrenals with stress reduction, adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, and less caffeine. Prioritize downtime and nutrient-rich meals to restore mental sharpness. Clear your mind by balancing your hormones. Trouble sleeping or waking up tired? Hormonal imbalances, especially with cortisol and testosterone, can disrupt your sleep cycle. High nighttime cortisol blocks melatonin, making restful sleep impossible. Create a dark, cool, screen-free bedroom and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Good sleep hygiene is essential for hormone balance and overall health. Prioritize rest to reset your hormones. Stubborn belly fat despite healthy habits? High cortisol, insulin resistance, and estrogen dominance may be to blame. Chronic stress and processed foods drive fat storage, especially around your midsection. Improve insulin sensitivity by cutting sugar, eating more fiber and protein, and strength training. Building muscle boosts metabolism and hormone health. Focus on hormonal balance, not just calories. Break the cycle and reclaim your body. Unexplained sweating or hot flashes? Men can experience these too, often due to thyroid or adrenal imbalances. Your body's thermostat relies on balanced hormones. When disrupted, you get unpredictable temperature swings. Both overactive and underactive thyroids can cause these symptoms. Don't dismiss it. Get your thyroid and cortisol checked. Restoring balance can help regulate your internal thermostat. Noticing hair loss or thinning? DHT, a testosterone byproduct, is often the culprit, especially if you're genetically prone. High DHT shrinks hair follicles, leading to male pattern baldness. Thyroid and cortisol imbalances can also contribute. Get a hormone panel to pinpoint the cause. Consider dietary changes, saw palmetto supplements, and stress management. Support your hair from the inside out. A drop in sex drive is a classic sign of low testosterone. Persistent low libido can also affect mood, relationships, and fertility. Stress and nutrient deficiencies like low zinc or vitamin D can worsen the problem. Focus on stress reduction, a nutrient-rich diet, and quality sleep to naturally boost testosterone. Reignite your vitality by addressing the root cause. Chronic, unrelenting fatigue isn't normal, it's often a sign of cortisol or testosterone imbalance. Low morning cortisol and low testosterone sap your energy and motivation. Prioritize sleep, cut back on caffeine, and stabilize blood sugar with balanced meals. Work with your body's natural rhythms to rebuild stamina. Don't settle for exhaustion, restore your hormonal health. Small changes can make a big difference. Gut issues like bloating, constipation, or IBS symptoms can signal hormonal imbalance. High cortisol, thyroid dysfunction, and estrogen dominance all impact digestion. An unhealthy gut can worsen hormone problems, creating a vicious cycle. Support your gut with probiotics, fiber, and anti-inflammatory foods. Heal your gut to help balance your hormones. Mood swings, anxiety, or depression can be rooted in hormonal shifts, not just life stress. Low testosterone, cortisol imbalances, and thyroid issues all affect your mental health. Don't dismiss emotional symptoms. Get your hormones checked. Addressing the biological root can transform your mood and outlook. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Ready to rebalance your hormones? Start with a whole foods diet, stress management, quality sleep, and regular strength training. Balance blood sugar and avoid processed foods to support insulin and cortisol. Don't guess, get your hormones tested with your healthcare provider. Small changes in one area can ripple across your whole system. Listen to your body's signals and take action early. Share your experiences in the comments. Your story could help others. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell for more health tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and take control of your health.